Okay, today is the day. In my last video, I was introduced to some of my peers in the workplace, including Kevin, a customer service rep. And guess what? I am about to listen to my first real customer service call. And honestly, I'm a little nervous. But before we begin, a quick question for you guys watching. If somebody says, hang tight, what do you think they mean? Uh, Wait. B. Leave immediately. Or C. Start working faster. Keep watching and let's find out.
All right, Jay. So, this morning, you'll shadow me and see how customer service works. The last time we spoke, I mentioned that I was responsible for receiving phone calls from customers. When they call, they may call about an issue they have regarding our service or ask simple questions. However, I do more than that. I am also a dispatch coordinator.
A dispatch coordinator? What is that?
A dispatch coordinator is an employee that sets up appointments for the customer. In a nutshell, I represent the customer service aspect of our company. Any phone call, email, or social media review is responded to by me. If a customer wants to set up an appointment with us, I arrange it for them. If they have an issue with our service, I handle it. And if they have any questions regarding our service, I answer them.
Wow, that seems like a lot of stress. What's the secret to your success?
The secret? Stay calm. Customers are usually calling because they need help. So our job is to listen and help solve problems.
Stay calm. Got it. That makes sense.
I will have the phone on speaker, just so you can hear what is going on as well. Thank you for calling Shine Away Window Cleaning. This is Kevin. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Hi, my name is Nathan.
Hi, Nathan. How can I help you today?
Hi, so I would like to know how much you would charge for a service to come out and clean the windows at my restaurant.
Nathan, I do appreciate the call, sir. So here at Shine Away Window Cleaning, we offer free estimates. If you would like, we can set up an appointment today for a technician to come out and offer you a price. Is that something you would be interested in, sir?
Absolutely, let's do it. What time are you guys available?
Well, today is your lucky day. I have a technician available right now. I can send him right now if you are interested.
I am available right now.
Sweet. Can I get your address, please?
Of course, my address is 123 Bell Avenue, Los Angeles, California. The zip code is 90000. You should see a sign that reads Nathan and Ruby's Burger Inn.
Thank you for providing that information. Now, may I put you on hold while I set you up with a window cleaning specialist?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, so I like to put the customer on hold momentarily while I look for the nearest technician available. We have many technicians available at the moment. However, I like to set up an appointment with the person closest to them. So, let's see who that person is. Looks like Mike is in the area. In fact, he is only 4 miles away. Let's set it up. Okay, Nathan, are you still there?
Yes, I am.
Alrighty, sir. Good news for you. One of our technicians is available at the moment. In fact, I have an ETA of about 10 minutes. Would you like to proceed with that?
Yes, that's fine.
Sweet. Now, what would be the best number to reach you?
The best phone number to reach me? Area code is 323-555-1234.
Awesome. Thank you for providing this information. Our Shine Window Cleaning technician's name is Mike. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that should do it. Thank you.
My pleasure, sir, and thank you for choosing to go with Shine Away Window Cleaning. Have a nice day.
Wow, that was amazing. You were able to help Nathan out with that question super fast.
Yeah, well, that comes with a lot of practice, of course.
Right, I just have one question here. What does ETA stand for? I heard you use that phrase a couple of times. Is it code for something?
Good question. Actually, it is. ETA stands for Estimated Time of Arrival.
Estimated time of arrival. Got it. Thank you.
Of course. All right, now let me show you how I set up the appointment now. First, I log into the computer and fill out the information needed, his name, address, and phone number he provided. There is a section here that allows us to type in any extra notes or details about the address. For instance, do you remember how he mentioned that there was a big sign that read, Nathan and Ruby's Burger Inn? I will provide that information to our tech so that they can find the location easier and more smoothly. Now, I will place the call under Mike's name so that he receives the information needed. Then I hit confirm, and there you have it. The call has been placed. But wait, there's more. Are you familiar with our group message app?
No, what is the group message app?
It's an app that allows us to communicate with each other without having to share any personal information, like our email and phone number. You'll need to download the app in order for you to use it. When I set up an appointment with a technician, I send a message through the app, which is simple to do. Let me show you. I first sign into the app, go to the main group page, type in the @ symbol, followed by the technician's name, which is Mike Benson, and let them know that I have set up an appointment on their dashboard. For example, at Mike Benson, new job on dashboard. And that's it. Now, we just hang tight and wait for them to reply. They are required to like the message, then follow up with another message.
Sweet. So what else is the message app used for?
Good question. It's typically used for us to communicate with each other. So, you saw that I had sent one person a message regarding an appointment I set up for them. Now, he will let me know he got the message and give me an ETA on his arrival. It does not stop there, though. If he runs into traffic, or if his vehicle breaks down, he will notify me so that I can notify the client right away. Also, if another tech needs help with a job or needs a piece of equipment or needs to run over to the supply store, they will notify the group. That way we know where they are at all times. Anything we need, we simply notify the group.
Oh, wow. No wonder business runs so smoothly here.
Yeah, working like this helps us out and helps them out as well. So Mike replied back to my message. Let's see what he has to say. 10-4. ETA is 10 minutes. All right, now I hit the like button, and we are set.
10-4. What does that mean?
10-4 is the universal code for OK or understand. Good question, by the way. All right, we do not have any calls coming in, so now would be a good idea to check our email. So it looks like we have one new message. This email comes from Beth, and it reads, "Hi, I am a regular customer of yours. Just recently, I received a coupon in the mail from you guys. It is a coupon with half off for 1 whole month, and I would like to know how I can redeem this offer." Oh, awesome. I know exactly which coupon this is and will apply it to her account right now. All right. So I will reply with, "Hi, Beth. Thanks for reaching out. I have looked up your account with the email you have on file and have applied the coupon to your billing statement for this month. You should see this on your statement this month, and if for whatever reason you do not see it and you are charged in full, please let us know. We will be happy to help. Thank you, and have an amazing day. Now I just have to CC the boss here.
Wait, CC the boss? What does that even mean?
CC is short for carbon copy. Anytime we CC someone in an email, it means they have access to the messages. So I am CCing the boss just to keep him in the loop. It's not required, but I always do it so that he knows what is going on. Also, it looks like Mike just messaged us. Let's see what it reads. Hey team, just arrived at the scene.
Whoa, that was fast. All right, guys, we covered a lot today. You heard Kevin use words like ETA, 10-4, and CC. And remember when Kevin said in a nutshell? Nutshell simply means giving the basic information without too much detail. Now, remember our question from the beginning? Hang tight. If you picked a, you got it right. You may also hear people say sit tight. Both expressions simply mean wait. So now we know the appointment is officially underway. But here's the big question. What actually happens when the technician meets the customer? In the next episode, I'm going to listen in on Mike and Nathan's conversation and see how the entire sale goes. If you enjoy learning real English through real workplace conversations, subscribe and come back for the next step. Until next time, goodbye.